Hey everybody, what is going on? This is Eric from ReConvert, and today I have a special announcement. We just released bundles throughout the ReConvert funnel, meaning you can now offer bundles on your checkout page, on the post-purchase page, on the thank you page, and on your order status page. Now, if you don't know what bundling is, let me just break it down for you real quick. Bundling is the option to offer 2 or more products as a single unit, where customers can't buy any single product, but they can just buy the entire bundle together. And this option is now available on ReConvert using the Shopify Bundles API. Now, before we jump into my screen, just make sure to hit that like button so you know whenever we release new features, subscribe and comment if you have any questions. I promise we will answer each and every one of you. Now let's just jump into my screen and I'll show you how to get it done. Alright, so I'm in my ReConvert dashboard and I'm just gonna head over to the Flow Builder. This is where you're going to build all your offers in ReConvert. If you want to learn more about the Flow Builder, there are help videos around conditions and around slots. We're going to start by selecting the page. This store is not on Shopify Plus, so the checkout is locked, but it's going to look exactly the same throughout the checkout. If you're on Shopify Plus, it's going to be open for you. So let's say that I want to add a bundle to my thank you page. I'm just gonna select thank you page. As for the conditions, now let's just say that I want to offer a bundle for everyone who completes a purchase by default of 2 products that I know works best in my store. Let's get it done. I'm going to click on the default condition and I'm going to create another slot. Right now I have 2 slots over here. I'm going to create a new slot and that's going to open the offer builder. So what I'm going to do is, first of all, I'm going to remove the upsell we get by default. It's irrelevant. And I'm just going to click on add widgets. And now, as you can see, we have the bundle option, which is a new option. I'm going to select that. By default, a bundle have 3 products. Now let's say that I want to offer just 2 products. Okay, so I'm going to remove the number of products to 2, and I'm going to change the number of products per row also for 2. So it's going to look better. And then instead of frequently bought together, maybe let's change the text over here to bundle and save 20%. Oops, let's just make it bold and let's make it large. Amazing. Now that we have the 2 products, let's say that there are 2 specific products that I want to display. You can keep it as dynamic options. You can keep it a product that is recommended by Shopify. I'm going to change it to a specific product because I know what I want to offer. So because this is an inflatable store that sells inflatable products, I'm going to offer some sort of a pump. So that's going to be the first product. I'm going to hit select. And for the second product, I'm going to offer them an air mattress. So they're going to get a pump and an air mattress. If they buy any other inflatable product, this is a good deal. They're going to get 20% off of it. I know it converts. That's what I'm going to do. Now I'm going to head over to the price and discount settings, and I'm going to get them a 20% discount if they get both products together. Now, one other thing that I want to change about the bundle is the quantity. I don't want to let them choose quantity pickers. So I'm just going to hide the quantity picker on both of these products. And now my bundle seems to be perfect. I'm going to hit save. And now all I have to do is just head over to my thank you page and add slot number 3 in order to get this bundle to show up on customers' thank you page. I'm going to head over to place my slot on the Shopify thank you page editor. And now I'm going to add ReConvert slot number 3. And here is my bundle. This is perfect. If you want to change the location of the bundle to a different location, for example, if I want to add it under the order summary, I'm just going to drag and drop the slot all the way to the bottom. And here is my bundle on the right side. Great. So this exact process can be replicated to your other pages that are supported by ReConvert, the checkout page, the post-purchase page, or the order status page. So make sure you display these bundles wherever you think your customers will accept them the best. Of course, it needless to say that this feature comes with full analytics, so you can know exactly how your bundles are performing throughout your funnel. This is it, guys. You now know everything you need to know on how to set up bundles on ReConvert. If you have any questions, comment them in the comment section below, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.